everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Swati. I hope you all are doing great. So before we will start, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, and if you like this video, then don't forget to click big thumbs up. I just want to ask you some question. Yes, so are you one of them who always trying to be perfect, or are you one of them who always run behind the perfection? If your answer is yes, then today's episode I'll tell you some tips that how you can get rid of this fear of perfectionist. You know what, it's really important, because most of the time we just miss our opportunity because we just feel like that we are not perfect, and if we are not perfect, then what others think about me? So it's better I just quit and I don't want to do this work because I am not perfect. So this episode is going to be really helpful to you. So let's start with the first step, which is do practice. Yes, you know what, when we will not start something, then how we will do practice? Because practice makes a man perfect, and if you want to do practice, then you will have to start something, right? You know what, when you always think like that I'll start this work when I'll be perfect, then you will never start this work. Yes, because you won't be perfect, and you will be perfect when you do practice. And if you will not start something, then how you will do practice? If I take my example, that I have started the channel and I know that I am not perfect, I'll make some mistakes, but how I'll be improve? When I'll do practice, when I'll make more videos, only then I'll be able to make my videos perfect. Yes, so if you always think like that I'll start this work when I'll be perfect, then please don't do this. Just start, do practice, and it's okay, just start. You don't need to be perfect at first time. You just do practice, and when you just do practice continuously, then you will definitely become perfect. So let's move to the next point, which is instead of say I can't, say I can. Yes, so if you are one of them who always say that I won't be able to do this work, or this is not my cup of tea, I won't be able to do that, or I can't do this work. So when you already say that I can't do this work, then how you expect that you will able to do this work? Because first you need to believe that you are able to do this. So if you don't need to perfect, you don't need to say all the time that I can't do this. Just try to say that I can do it, and when you change your words, only then you will be able to try something new. So if you want to start something, or if you want to try something new, then you will have to change your words, and you don't need to feel like that I'll start this work only when I'll be perfect. If you will always think like that, then you won't be able to start something new. Let's move to the next point, which is stop what others think about you. Yes, so if you always think about that what others will think about me, and because of that you are not start something, or you are not try to do something because you always scared of it. So let me tell you one thing, don't ever think about it. And if you want to know about that how you can stop ourselves what others think about me, then you can also see my previous video. I'll also leave link in my description box, so you can also check it out, and it will definitely help you to get rid of the fear of your perfectionist. So just do and check this out. It will definitely encourage you to try something new without fear of judgment. Let's move to the next point, which is don't take things personally. Yes, so if you are one of them who always take things personally, then I just want to suggest you don't do this. Because you know what, if you want to take big decision in your life, and if you always scared of it that what others will say about me, and if you are always take things personally, then you won't be able to take big decision in your life, and you won't be able to do what you want to do in your life, because you always take things personally, and it will definitely hurt your feelings. It will definitely affect your feelings. So I just want to suggest you, please don't take things personally. People will say what they want to say, so you can't control them. So don't take things personally. Just do what you want to do, and stop putting blame on someone else. Let's move to the last point, which is you have only one life. Yes, so I just want to suggest to just live your life as much as you can, because you don't know about that what will happen next. So instead of worry about that what others will think about, or what you want to do in your life, then you just need to focus on to live your life completely, and just be yourself, and don't be afraid of the perfectionist. Because if you always scared of it that that I just want to be perfect, and because of that you just missed a lot of chances in your life. So don't do this, don't invite regrets in your life, and just enjoy your life as much as you can. So that's all I got for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are one of them who always try to be perfect, and if this video will help you in some way, then please let me know in comment section. You can also follow me on my Instagram account, which is positivevibes590. Guys, so if you like this video, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe button. I'll definitely meet you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay positive.